Ma'am.
Internet.
What?
Do you have application for book Joyride? Because I don't have internet to book.
Oh, sorry ma'am. I no have like that, ma'am. I no have like that. Why?
But can you take me home, please? I will pay you 2,000 peso. I need to rush go home after the gym.
I send you? I send you there.
Yeah.
Because ma'am, my work is like that, but no apps.
What do you mean work like that?
Yeah, like that.
Oh,
What?
it's so nice.
Can I send you?
Can you send me please to Makati?
Makati?
Yeah.
Can.
Wow.
Because my work is that, but not same apps. Ah! You're shouting! Why are you shouting? So yun, what's up mga ka-watchers? Siyempre, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Yun, ano bang gagawin natin ngayon? As usual, big bike habal. Gamit naman natin ang H2.
Excuse me, kuya.
Tama.
Internet.
What?
Do you have application for book Joyride? Because I don't have internet to book.
Oh, sorry ma'am. I no have like that, ma'am. I no have like that. Why?
But can you take me home, please? I will pay you 2,000 peso. I need to rush go home after the gym.
I send you? I send you there.
Yeah.
But
Makati.
because ma'am, my work is like that, but no apps.
What do you mean work like that?
Yeah, like that.
Oh,
What?
it's so nice.
Can I send you?
Can you send me please to Makati?
Makati?
Yeah.
Can.
Wow.
Because my work is that, but not same apps.
Oh, really?
You rush, ma'am, rush?
Rush, yes, I need
Ah, okay. But my English not so good. It's okay?
Yeah, you can speak Tagalog, please.
Ah, you understand pala.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tara na.
Tara na. Nagmamadali ka talaga, ma'am. Okay, let's go.
Really, kuya, you really work like that?
Yeah, ma'am. Sending people. Yeah, sending people.
Wow. I see first time driver use this one.
Use big bag.
Yeah, it's good.
Because you from what your country?
Russia.
Russia. In Philippines can use big bike
Yeah, in Russia cannot use big bike for...
for sending.
Yeah.
Because in Philippines can use big bike, ma'am, for
Okay.
customer.
In Russia, we can use bike only girlfriend and boyfriend. And then...
Ah. In Russia,
Feels more?
because in Russia, ma'am, if you use big bike, of course, girlfriend or boyfriend. Because in Philippines, I can use big bike even your customer.
Yeah, that's why I like Philippines more. Because you can use joyride, like...
Yeah, like that.
And then...
And use big bike.
And use big bike.
Just now, you know.
Like, I like it. Let's go, tara na.
Okay, I use your helmet. Yes, helmet. Okay. Yeah.
What is this for?
Like I'm a mic, ma'am.
Mike.
You can sing there.
Oh,
Joking.
to sing.
No joke. Ano ma'am, this one like a mic. To you can hear me and I hear you.
Oh, it's music there. We can do it.
Wait, mama, I open this one. You from Russia.
Yes, I'm from Russia.
Okay, wait.
From Russia, we love. Just finished to gym. I need to go home faster.
Okay. Have sounds?
No.
Wala. Wait, mama.
Member connected.
You hear me?
Yes, I hear
Yes, I
you.
hear.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I like your
helmet
headset
because you have microphone. I can hear you here.
Yeah. Because if no mic, ma'am, while riding, I cannot hear you because the sounds is wrong, wrong.
Yeah. It's like wind.
Yeah, in the wind. Good.
Yeah, go.
Okay, let's go. Tara na. Wait, ma'am. Yeah. Oh, yeah, put there. Okay.
Okay.
Wait for.
Wait for.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Let's go, ma'am.
Okay.
Tara
Tara na.
Tara.
Kuya, can
I ask you please if I can hold you here because I'm afraid.
Yeah, it's okay because all customer
Scared.
hold also. Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh, thank you po. Okay.
But the correct ma'am like this also.
Okay.
Okay.
My other customer always hold me because later fall down. Let's go ma'am. Tara. I passed her ma'am. I'm passed because you said you rush, yeah, rush.
Yeah.
Because you're from Russia, that's why rush.
Yeah, really you bring clients to the place like you work, it's a job.
Yeah, this is my work also, like Joyride, Angkas, but same.
Wow,
Yeah.
so nice. I'm lucky. I found you on the road.
Oh, you're lucky. Big. Yeah.
I want to ask you.
Yeah, correct. Lucky you asked me. Yeah. Not Joyride, ma'am. Different language, different title, like habal.
Wow. Why you use big bike?
I use big bike, ma'am, to people can experience the big bike.
Wow. I think it's your first person who uses bike in Manila. I've never seen Joyride who uses bike like that.
Yeah, ma'am, correct.
I like it. The road.
It's my first
Experience using the big bike.
Your first time also.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Lucky, let's go. You hold two, ma'am, two. Yan. You're shouting. Why are you shouting? But not this one, ma'am, not so fast. Just a normal. Are you okay? Let's go. You okay? Let's go. You can speak Tagalog pala, little. Like what? Like what? Tagalog. Give me sample, ma'am.
I know many phrases, many words.
Like what? Give me sample.
Tara na. Kamusta?
Ayan, salamat po. Maganda. Like you, maganda, ma'am. Like you, maganda.
Ha? Sa labas ka matulog.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many years, ma'am, in Philippines?
I'm living in 6 years already.
6 years. Oh. In Russia, ma'am, very cold or what? What the weather is there?
Very cold months for you. Now winter months for you.
Last week, ma'am, I go Armenia. I think the Armenia and Russia almost near. Correct?
Wow.
Wow.
When did you
When did
live
you
in
live in
Armenia?
Armenia?
What?
When you
When you
live
live in Armenia?
Yerevan,
Wow, it's nice.
Nice.
the city, the center.
I think that is cold now.
Yeah, cold. But negative 5 only. In Russia, I think negative 15, yeah, 20.
Yeah, exactly.
Meron dito kuya? Ma'am, can you go down first because I put gas? I go put gas.
So please for
No, it's okay. Me. I pay.
I'll give you money, 1,000 for gas.
No, later. Me, I pay first. Oo. Well, full tank.
yeah, you bike is heavy.
Yeah, super heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's big. Big bike.
How many tons?
Only 230 kg.
Can I check you please if when you go someplace?
Oh, of course.
Thank you.
you chat me if you go somewhere. Okay, you chat me. You save my later I give you my my Instagram or Messenger, okay? Facebook.
Salamat po. Tara na.
Tara na.
Kuya, isang posing like this is okay? You not shy?
It's okay, I'm not shy. How about you? It's okay.
I'm not shy, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay. You hug. You hold. Sorry, hold.
Kuya, all customers holding you like this.
Yeah, all my customer do that like that, holding me. Why?
Why?
Why? Because he's scared. Because if I like this, I ask you, ma'am, you can try not hold me. Cannot, yeah?
Yeah.
Because if you not hold me later, you fall down.
Yeah.
That's why this one normal. It's okay.
Kuya, I recommended you, my friend, because you speak motorbike and it's not ordinary, like not full motorbike.
Not ordinary, not this one big bike. Okay, you tell your friends, ma'am.
I give you your number to my friend.
Okay, you give me Okay, ma'am. You give me customer. Another customer. What Russia also or?
But next time, discount please. For motorbike discount.
Okay, I give discount. Oh, your friend, ma'am, Russia also or Filipina?
Filipino and foreigners.
Okay, you give me customer, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
But my friends also happy.
Enjoy the road.
Okay, ma'am. You give me customer pala.
Yes po.
Okay. Ma'am, not pa so you see, 50 only.
Kuya, why are you so fast? I'm scared.
No, ma'am, that one is not faster. Only 60. Maybe the sounds. That's why you think it's faster.
Because I'm scared.
You're scared. But the real ma'am, only 60, not faster. Maybe you thinking faster because the sounds, yeah, like this. Like this. So next time, ma'am, you chat me. I waiting your chat, okay?
Yes po.
Maybe you go said other place, yeah, you said? You chat me?
I will chat you and then I will
Recommend, okay. Later your friends not believe, yeah? That one is a Grab or why big bike? You said I'm using big bike for experience, yeah? You tell. Because later your friend, are you sure? Yeah, ma'am, correct?
Yeah. Kuya, you can stop here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, okay. Yeah, here, ma'am, maybe?
Yes po, yes po.
Okay. Yeah. You're here na pala, your destination.
Thank you so much.
How's, ma'am, the feeling?
Like
It's okay, I remove, ma'am. How about, ma'am, the feeling? Nice or what?
so amazing. Oh my God, so faster. Many adrenaline. I like it.
How's the, ma'am, experience, ma'am?
So amazing, so faster, and many adrenaline.
Many adrenaline.
Wait, it's my hair.
Okay, ma'am. You shaking.
Yes, of course, because so fast.
But, ma'am, not so fast. Normal. It's a normal.
But it's okay. Many adrenaline is make you wake up.
Wake up.
Don't need coffee anymore.
No coffee anymore. I know, ma'am, why you wake up. Because if you're not serious, later you fall down, yeah?
Yeah. Exactly. I'm going to contact. I will recommend it. My friends,
Okay, ma'am.
Instagram and Facebook.
Facebook, ma'am.
What's your account?
Yeah, this one, ma'am. You chat me if you want a service, yeah, correct?
Yeah, okay. Sure.
And you give your friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait till your chat.
Next week I will chat you again.
You go somewhere again.
Yeah.
Ah.
Can I use your service again?
Yeah, of course.
I want to pay 2,500.
2.5. You said before only 1,000.
But I want to pay 2,500 because it's so amazing to drive. And I wake up.
And faster.
Yeah, I want to go to Starbucks, but I'm not going to Starbucks anymore because your motorbike is so fast driving and make me wake up.
Yeah, make me wake up because you like, see, mas serious.
Pay more for.
No, ma'am, the real ma'am, it's okay, it's free. Because it's free.
But I want to pay like for your service.
No, it's okay, ma'am, it's okay, it's free.
Really? Why?
It's okay, ma'am, you put your bag. Free na lang, ma'am, because you're sexy and beautiful, eh.
No serious why?
You want I tell the truth?
Yes, of course. I want to.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Say hi, hi.
Where? Here?
Here, and here, there.
Okay, here?
Eh,
That
I'm ano, ma'am, I'm a vlogger.
vlogger.
You know vlog?
Yeah.
My content is I send the person and I reveal I am a vlogger. Like, it's a prank, I use big bike. You get?
Oh, that's nice. Can you post me in Facebook?
Yeah, I post.
Make a video. Can you post me tools?
Yeah, it's okay for you.
Yes, it's okay. You can upload.
I have permission to upload. Okay. And how's the feeling, ma'am? Feeling?
So amazing. I like it. It's so fast drive. Like make you adrenaline. More than coffee.
More than coffee.
Can I see your vlog, please?
Okay, ma'am. You and later you watch yourself, yeah. You already see your.
But I hope my face there is like not horror.
No, your face is like nice because you're a foreigner. I'm just ano, ma'am. I'm just a first time riding a foreigner.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you see in my content.
Wow. What's your vlog?
This one, ma'am, Jedrone. You type this one, Jedrone. Later you see yourself, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if I upload.
Beautiful. Jedrone.
Yeah.
Wow, you have so many viewers.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Later, you see yourself there. Because you said okay, yeah?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
I hope I'm beautiful there.
Yeah, beautiful. In personal, beautiful. How about in the video? You're from Russia, yeah? You said, hi, Philippines.
Hi, Philippines.
In Russia.
From Russia, we love.
Ano, what?
From Russia, we love.
I don't, I don't know.
From Russia, we love.
Okay, ma'am. You tell your friend, to, but don't tell me I'm a vlogger,
Yes, po.
Okay.
Kuya, can I chat you next time if I need your service?
Okay, you chat me.
Yeah.
You want try again pala?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I take photo?
This one?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay, ma'am.
Oh.
I picture you.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, really? You want picture, ma'am, to remembrance, yeah? Wow. You see, ma'am, you see. Nice or again, you see,
Wow, I like it. Oh my God, it's
Okay.
so nice.
Ma'am.
Amazing.
Yun, shoutout muna natin mga
Sige,
nagpapashoutout dyan.
bomba,
Shoutout natin si
pagbigyan ng
Jason
tropa.
Martinez,
Sige,
Jan,
bomba,
Jan
kahit sa
Barasan,
kalsada.
Max Jem, hindi ko maintindihan yung
Makikita
pangalan mo,
ang
shoutout,
motor kong
Aaron
ninja.
Castillo,
Sige,
saka pati
bomba
maintindihan
at
yung
apiran
pangalan mo.
kahit saan makita.
Jeremy,
Sige,
Lindbert,
bomba.
Resty, Adrian, yung lagi
Bomba,
nagko-comment
sigaw
to,
ng
solid
mga
supporters
tropa.
natin.
Tropa,
Eric,
pagdaan
Jan
ko sa
Raser,
kalsada.
RJCC ni Premier, yung solid ang nagda-download sa mga music video natin. George Patingo, shout out. Gisir Auditor from Bohol, shout out. Black Skin Partida, shout out. Jun Louie Ido, yung pinsan natin to. Lito Borromeo from Boracay. Jeremy, Joseph, Maribel, Marlon Flores, Vincent Richard, Noy Motorworks, Gabin, RS Moto PH, Raymar, Buhay OFW, Antnil, Boss Totoy from Canada to, Maribel, Ompong, C.
Sige,
Smith,
bomba,
Cherry
pagbigyan ng
Garcia,
tropa.
Manong Pekha,
Sige,
shout out
bomba,
sa inyong
kahit
lahat.
sa
Yeah.
kalsada.